Today, we are making lactation cookies. Hindi ito para sa akin, but this is actually for my friend who just gave birth. But this will also benefit me and other moms who are expecting. As usual, when you're baking, you prepare your dry ingredients. One of the ingredients that increases milk supply is the brewer's yeast. Nabibili ito sa healthy options. Another is oatmeal. I'm using old-fashioned oatmeal. Sabi ng research ko, it can also help increase the milk supply. After preparing your dry ingredients, you can now proceed to your wet ingredients. When baking cookies, always scrape down the bowl kasi may naiiwan siya na sugar. And again, when it comes to baking, do not overmix. Last ingredient that can help increase the milk supply is the flaxseed meal. Nabibili pa rin siya sa healthy options. I'm not selling these cookies. Nag-bake lang talaga ako because my friend just gave birth. And also thought, why not share you a recipe just in case mom she For the chocolate chip, I used Berrios the Dark kasi para hindi matamis yung cookies. Which I think ito din yung nagpasarap ng cookies lalo. So, wala akong taste test sa cookie na to because I think it's too early for me to eat lactation cookies. But sabi ng friend ko, it tastes good and even yung asawa niya kumain din.